Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we delve into the heart of the automotive world. Today we're taking a look at the electric vehicle market, specifically focusing on Tesla, a company that has been leading the charge in EV technology and sales. However, the tides seem to be turning, and we've identified 6 key reasons why Tesla might be heading towards a significant setback. Buckle up, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Reason number 6, shrinking profit margins. Tesla, once the undisputed king of the EV market, is seeing its crown start to slip. After years of impressive growth and profitability in a sector where others were bleeding money, Tesla's financial performance has taken a hit. The first quarter results revealed a 55% drop in net income and a 9% decrease in total revenue, down to $21.3 billion. Toyota has now overtaken Tesla as the industry's top earner, thanks to its strong income growth. Tesla's gross margin also took a hit, falling to 17.4% in the previous quarter. The company has cited various challenges, including the Red Sea conflict and an arson attack at their German gigafactory. But perhaps the most telling sign of trouble is the decline in sales, which fell by a significant 8.5%. Despite this, Tesla's plans for future growth, including the introduction of the budget-friendly Model 2, remain on track. However, recent reports suggest that the Model 2's development may have been cancelled, a claim that Tesla has not clearly denied. Reason number 5, Cybertruck woes. After years of anticipation and multiple delays, Tesla's Cybertruck has finally arrived. However, the launch was far from smooth for the Austin-based automaker. Shortly after the launch, build quality issues surfaced, leading to the first recall of this futuristic pickup. A video shared by a Cybertruck owner revealed a significant design flaw in the accelerator pedal. The cover could easily slip forward and become lodged in the interior, potentially locking the vehicle in full acceleration. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, issued a recall, citing an unapproved change that introduced lubricant to the assembly of the pad onto the accelerator pedal, reducing the pad's retention. This could affect the pedal's performance and operation, increasing the risk of a collision. While Musk has not provided specific numbers, some sources estimate that around 4,000 models could be affected by this recall. The planned owner notification date is reportedly not until June 18th. Reason number 4, workforce reduction. Tesla's sales surge over the past 5 years was mirrored by a steady expansion of its workforce. From 48,000 employees in 2019, the count soared to over 140,000 by late 2023. The company also unveiled plans for further growth, including a new gigafactory in India, with the search for an ideal location still underway. However, the current scenario is less than ideal. With sales decelerating and production outpacing demand, Tesla is seeking equilibrium. In these tough times, cost-cutting measures are inevitable, and workforce reductions are often the go-to solution. Recent reports indicate that Musk has announced a 10% workforce reduction, translating to around 14,000 jobs globally, including 6,000 in the US. The company has already charted out its layoff plans. WARN notices reveal plans to cut 3,332 jobs in Texas and 2,688 in California. Inside sources also hint at a reduction of around 285 employees in Buffalo and nearly 700 layoffs at the Nevada factory. While details for other regions remain undisclosed, it's presumed that the majority of cuts will occur in China, with around 400 job cuts planned in Germany. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 3, the era of deep discounts. The EV market's growth has decelerated, disrupting the supply-demand balance and leaving EV manufacturers struggling to clear their inventory. The early adopter phase has passed, and the middle class is yet to find electric cars an attractive proposition. In response, automakers have turned to discounts to attract new customers, sparking a price war. Tesla led this trend, slashing the price of its popular Model Y multiple times during 2023 and early 2024. The price dropped by 21% in 2023, from an average of $63,000 to around $50,000 in January 2024. Recently, another $2,000 price cut brought the base version of the Model Y down to around $44,630. The Model Y also qualifies for a $7,500 federal tax incentive, making it possible to lease the Model Y for less than $400 a month in some cases, according to Cox Automotive. Additionally, Tesla has significantly reduced the price of its full self-driving software from $12,000 to $8,000. Reason number 2. The end of the road for Model 2? In response to the market's shift towards the middle class, Tesla had devised a strategy to counter the current slowdown in market growth. The plan was to introduce a compact, affordable EV priced between $25,000 and $30,000 to make EV technology more accessible to the masses. The goal was to launch this compact EV by 2025, but recent reports suggest that this is no longer on the cards. According to a Reuters report, the compact EV, unofficially dubbed the Model 2, will not be seeing the light of day. The project has reportedly been shelved due to developmental hurdles and the prevailing market climate. Instead, Tesla is redirecting its efforts towards the robotaxi project, marking the company's foray into driverless vehicles. The unveiling of this project is slated for August, with more details to be revealed then. For now, it seems the Model 2 project is on indefinite hold, as Musk has not categorically denied the Reuters report. Reason number 1. Challenges in the Chinese market. Tesla's challenges aren't confined to the US market. The company is grappling with issues on a global scale, particularly in China, its second largest market. Sales are declining there for 2 main reasons. Firstly, the Chinese economy, after years of substantial growth, is showing signs of strain. High unemployment rates and a near-collapse real estate market are among the economic challenges faced by its citizens. This has led to a downturn in the automotive market, with EV sales significantly slowing down. Tesla isn't alone in this struggle. Domestic EV manufacturers are also feeling the pinch. These domestic companies, like BYD, have become a significant concern for Tesla. China's decade-long investment in EVs is bearing fruit, with BYD overthrowing Tesla as the market leader. Current data shows BYD holding a 33% market share, significantly higher than Tesla's 10%. BYD's diverse product lineup and aggressive pricing strategy have put Tesla on the back foot. This has resulted in a significant decline in Tesla's sales, with Q1 of this year recording just 300,000 sales, a staggering 42% drop compared to Q4 of 2023. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest vehicle trends and insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep your engines revving.